We stumbled through this neighborhood, just looking at some of the houses that are here.
The Jam Fam family. We're Irie, living the good life. We're royal, cruising through the West Indies, having fun, enjoying the good life. Jam Fam family, the Jam Fam family. Jam Fam, come hang with me. Jam Fam, come hang with me.
Well, this is my breakfast. Eleona's assortment, nicely wrapped. And it's looking great. So I'm going to indulge. Thank you, Eleona. First day visiting a new church.
First time.
And we're early.
And it's a Seventh-day Adventist church, just like the one back at home.
Yep. Church mode today. Flatbread. This one is chapati, Eleona's favorite. And that one is bean stew. That's what Eleona said she wanted. And this is greens. And this one is kalaloo. So that's what we're using. And we have the grape juice to go with it. So happy Sukkot. We stumbled through this neighborhood, just looking at some of the houses that are here. On this estate, everyone's built. Stumbled across this neighborhood and we just thought we would film a little picture of some of the houses that's there. We're coming to visit
trying to find.
Did you? So my friend came to visit us today and he's taking us out so we can go and get some ice cream, and we've come up to Super Plus, and we've realized, we saw it before on YouTube, and we realized that there's a skating room over here, and you might be able to see some of the kids in the background skating over there. And we're going to go up here, just back. That's the shopping center behind us, and we're going to go down the shopping center to buy our ice cream at the ice cream shop. So it's one of our first afternoons out since we have put foot on the island, other than when we're going to Kingston to do errands and things like that. So we're going to try and see how this works out for us today. It's on there for the price list and the menu. So, what do you think? First taste test. Thumbs up? And I finally got my ice cream cake that I wanted and waited to have. So, you ready to go sit and indulge? Okay then. Well, let's do that. Thank you.
You're welcome.
So this is K-Mas, where we got it, and K-Mas is just at the back of Super Plus.
Hot fudge.
Okay, and you like the hot fudge? Okay. That sounds quite therapeutic. So the option is an ice cream cake or a 3-scoop cone. Which would you take?
The Jam Fam family. We're Irie, living the good life. We're royal, cruising through the West Indies, having fun, enjoying the good life. Jam fam family, the Jam fam family. Jam fam, come hang with me. Jam fam, come hang with me.